Elin Jones, the Minister for Rural Affairs, has announced a major new strategy for farming in Wales. Called Farming, Food and Countryside, Building a Secure Future, it outlines how the Welsh Assembly Government will work to secure a sustainable future for the farming, food and land-based production industries and the Welsh countryside environment through to 2020. An interim report published by Hybu Cig Cymru, Meat Promotion Wales, found that while some producers may benefit from sheep EID, costs remained prohibitive for most, and few were equipped to deal with the technology. It also found that livestock markets were ill-prepared for the new regulation, with most auctioneers bracing themselves for additional IT and equipment costs. 14 farms in Wales are involved in the study, due to conclude this autumn. Under new European regulations, due to come into force on the 1st of January 2010, every lamb born after this date will have to be electronically tagged. The final findings of the report will be published in October. Milk production figures during April 2009 have shown an increase on the same time last year, according to figures released by the Rural Payments Agency. Wholesale milk deliveries in April totalled 1,142.6 million litres, up 3.2 million litres on last April's 1,139.4 million litres. The increase is welcome news for the long-suffering milk sector, where farmers have seen countless cuts in the prices offered by processors in recent months. Wales Chief Veterinary Officer Dr Christian Glossop has announced that blue tongue vaccine stocks will be discounted by 50% as of Thursday the 7th of May. It's hoped that the discount will be passed on through the supply chain, resulting in the end price of the vaccine dropping from 66 to 79 pence per millilitre plus VAT to 33 to 39 pence per millilitre plus VAT. This reduction should help to further encourage the use of vaccination across Wales as the threat of blue tongue increases with the warm weather. Farmers wishing to vaccinate should speak to their vet as soon as possible. The number of cases of bovine TB found in animals other than badgers and cattle soared to a record level in 2008. Last year, 119 cases were identified in 8 different non-bovine species in England, in figures released by DEFRA. The 2008 figures show there was a big increase in disease identified in goats, 33 cases, compared with 2 in 2007, and in deer, 34 cases in 2008, against just 1 the previous year. DEFRA attributed the 2008 increase to greater awareness and reporting of the disease, but some farmers argue the figures show the disease is now out of control. Finally, DEFRA Secretary Hilary Benn has warned a European pesticides ban will severely reduce Britain's ability to produce food. The ban posed a serious problem for British growers, Mr Benn told an influential House of Commons committee on Thursday the 7th of May. The Environment, Food and Rural Affairs Committee is investigating the food security challenges facing the UK up to 2050. Government scientists have estimated that yields could plummet by as much as 30% as a result of the ban. Brussels wants to ban a range of chemicals it says are dangerous to human health, but farming leaders have warned that the ban will make it difficult to crop certain crops and could lead to food prices doubling.